with Community Roundup. With the blessings from Pujya Dada Bhagwan Niruma and Pujya Deepak Bhai, Guru Purnima celebration was held at St. Louis in Missouri. Guru Purnima is the day when disciples introspect and resolve to offer pujan and reverence to the Guru in mind, action and speech. Let's show you the highlights. All the Mahatmas and Mumukshus with their friends and family came together to celebrate the Guru Purnima celebration for Pujya Dada Bhagwan. Guru Purnima is one of the 3 most auspicious days for the Mahatmas to do a darshan of the Gnani Purush.
Simply came to understand what real meditation and real karma and vikarma difference is, so that I can really achieve my inner peace as I have been. I have been doing and meditating on Vedic principles, which have given me large way to lead the life. And I think this is quicker and faster, so I came to understand all that stuff.
We came here to get Gyan Vidhi from Deepak Bhai. We watch him every day on TV. One of our close friends has invited us here, and I came with my wife and my son here. So we are expecting to get the true knowledge and the true essence.
Hi, I'm Deepak Patel from Los Angeles. I'm here at the Guru Purnima in St. Louis. I have attended a lot of satsangs and from a lot of gurus, and what really stands out for Dada Bhagwan's teaching, especially taught by Deepak Bhai, is that really at the end of the day, there's no one really to worship. Even Deepak Bhai, Dada Bhagwan, they never said, worship me. At the end of the day, it's your pure soul, and the power comes from within. It's all coming from your own self, and really, there's everybody that surrounds you. They're all files in your life that come into your life that you might have had past accounts, karmic accounts with. So really, all you have to do is just ask for forgiveness and live your daily life and think of it as your duty to take care of the world and spread your kindness and love.
I have taken the Gnan on 1993 with Niruma, and since then I follow Dada Bhagwan because I believe this is the real stuff that everybody should know.
एक ज्ञान का इतना इफेक्ट है, इतना अल्टीमेट है, उसके लिए हम लोग वापस यहाँ गुरु पूर्णिमा मनाने के लिए आ गए हैं।
ये दादा भगवान का एक ज्ञान एक चमत्कार है, और ऐसा ज्ञान जो कितने जन्मों की जो पुण्य हमने इकट्ठी की, इनके हिसाब से हमको दादा मिले, निरुमा मिले, पूज्य दीपक भाई मिले। आज मैं उनका जितना धन्यवाद बोलूँ इतना कम है।
तेलुगु सिने म्यूजिक कंपोजर माधव पेड्डी सुरेश देश विदेश में जाने जाते हैं अपनी मेलोडियस कंपोजिशंस के लिए। सालों से संगीत की आराधना कर उन्होंने उसकी बारीकियों और गहराइयों को जाना है। पिछले दिनों नॉर्थ कैरोलिना में उनके बहुत से फैंस और संगीत प्रेमी उनसे रूबरू हुए। सभी की मांग पर माधव पेड्डी सुरेश ने म्यूजिक वर्कशॉप का आयोजन किया और स्थानीय प्रतिभा को प्रेरित किया। कीबोर्ड्स पर मचलती वेटरन टॉलीवुड म्यूजिक कंपोजर माधव पेड्डी सुरेश की ये उंगलियां बयां करती हैं उनके तजुर्बे और मधुर संगीत की दास्तान। म्यूजिक वर्कशॉप के दौरान एक अच्छे सिंगर और कंपोजर के लिए उनका सबसे बड़ा सुझाव था कि करियर में दूसरों को कॉपी ना करें। हाँ, पर आप उनसे इंस्पिरेशन जरूर पा सकते हैं। उन्होंने इसके कई उदाहरण दिए।
tempo we have taken and B plus. Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga ni sa. Ade ulli pavurama ayyo papam ante vedakarama pativaru anta sulabhama adakaru mari suntama nani tani nani nini tani nani 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 tani. Slight so copying is different than taking inspiration. Inspiration is always best.
जीवन के इस पड़ाव में अब वक्त आ चला है कि माधव पेड्डी सुरेश अपने हुनर और अपनी प्रतिभा को सभी के साथ बांटने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। इंस्पिरेशन और एक्सपीरियंस के आधार पर नई धुनें कैसे बनती हैं, इसकी बारीकियां उन्होंने सभी को समझाई।
कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है ये दिल में समाया, this is in 3/4. Jing chak chak jing chak chak. You make in 2/4. Jing tak tak tak. Bazigar same tune. He composed in a different tempo. Then like that, this is a tricky composing. Tricky compose. Ta ne ne na pa ne re ma ga re ga sa. Pa ne re ma ga re ga sa. Like that. So even my Dilip, one of A.R. Rahman, he worked as a keyboard player for me. I'm very lucky. He composed one song for Oscar. See, he's very lucky. Ta la le la la le la la le le ta na ni ni na le la le 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 ta la le la la ta na ni ni ta la le le la le ta ni na ni na. This was the original Pallavi. So yeah, he's also very clever because he was a keyboard player like me. What he did, da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa 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 ga. He has taken that pa da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa pa ga. Ma ma pa pa da da ni ni sa sa re re ga ga. Jai ho, Oscar.
लोकल टैलेंट को वर्कशॉप के दौरान समझाते हुए माधव पेड्डी सुरेश ने कहा, किसी भी धुन को लिरिक्स के बिना कंपोज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यदि लिरिक्स पर धुन कंपोज की जाती है तो वह एवरलास्टिंग होती है।
In my opinion, lyric writer is like a bird. We should not put the bird in a small cage. We should not. It's not music. K.V. Mahadevan in Tamil and Telugu, he composed in his lifetime only for lyrics. He never composed, he never gave any tunes. I worked with him for more than 11 years, 75 to 86. He never composed. Ramesh Nayudu, one of the great musicians in Telugu, he also composed only for lyrics.
ये वर्कशॉप बहुत अच्छा था। इसमें कैसे एक गीत को लिरिक्स लेके उसका कैसे ट्यून बनाते हैं और कौन सा राग उससे इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बहुत सारे चीज़ों का हमको पता चला है श्री सुरेश जी से।
मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है माधव पेड्डी सुरेश गार से मिलके। इतना बढ़िया आदमी है, इतना डाउन टू अर्थ है। सबसे पूछा था लिरिक्स देने के लिए, तो मैं कभी भी लाइक बाबा के सामने बैठती हूँ तो मुझे कभी दिल से एक बाबा को प्रे करती हूँ, तो मैंने वो चीज़ मैंने सबके सामने मैंने उनको दिए, तो उन्होंने कंपोज करके दिया। इतना अच्छा लगा है।
And today I got the opportunity to meet a senior music director from Tollywood, and I had a good experience with him. He gave me lots of tips, and so I hope that he will bless me to become a very good singer in the future.
संसार से दूर भी कुछ है, इस जिंदगी से आगे भी कुछ है, जिसकी अनुभूति होती है ध्यान से। कुछ ऐसी ही शिक्षा देते हैं दादा भगवान। जी हाँ, बढ़ चढ़ कर लोगों ने शिरकत की सेंट लुइस में गुरु पूर्णिमा सेलिब्रेशंस में।
अवसर था गुरु की आराधना करने का, गुरु के दिखाए मार्ग पर चलने का, गुरु का आभार मानने का और गुरु पूर्णिमा के विशेष त्योहार को हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाने का। मौका था सेंट लुइस में पूज्य दादाज गुरु पूर्णिमा सेलिब्रेशंस का, जहां उमर पड़ी लोगों की भीड़ इस आयोजन में शिरकत कर धन्य हुई कम्युनिटी।
હું દલાસથી આવી છું અને દાદા ભગવાનનો સત્સંગ કરવા માટે ખાસ આવી છું અને મને બહુ જ અતિ પ્રિય લાગ્યો માટે હું અહીં આવી છું। દલાસમાં તો 4 દિવસ એટેન્ડ કર્યો હતો પણ પાછું મને વધારે આનંદ થયો માટે હું સેન્ટ લुइस આવી છું।
मैं शिकागो से आया हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे दादा की यूनिवर्सिटी में ज्ञान लेने आया हूँ। तो सेंट लुइस के महात्माओं यहाँ जितने सारे मैं उनकी तरफ से जय सच्चिदानंद बोल रहा हूँ।
Dadashri has included Guru Purnima as one of the 3 most auspicious days of each year for Mahatmas to do darshan of the Nani Purush.
Here at the Guru Purnima in St. Louis, I have attended a lot of satsangs and from a lot of gurus, and what really stands out for Dada Bhagwan's teaching, especially taught by Deepak Bhai, is that really at the end of the day, there's no one really to worship. Even Deepak Bhai, Dada Bhagwan, they never said, worship me. At the end of the day, it's your pure soul, and the power comes from within. It's all coming from your own self.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड मेरे लाइफ में काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस आए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दादा's ज्ञान, and it is a practical and it applies in every moment and every occasion and every time when I need it.
खुद से खुद का जब होता है परिचय, मिलते हैं खुद में भगवान, खुलते हैं मोक्ष के द्वार, समझ आते हैं जीवन के मायने।
विस्कॉन्सिन से आया हूँ और ये दादा भगवान का एक ज्ञान एक चमत्कार है और ऐसा ज्ञान जो कितने जन्मों की जो पुण्य हमने इकट्ठी की, इनके हिसाब से हमको दादा मिले, निरुमा मिले, पूज्य दीपक भाई मिले। आज मैं उनका जितना धन्यवाद बोलूँ इतना कम है।
हम लोग वाशिंगटन डीसी से आए हैं। ये ज्ञान बहुत क्रियाकारी है। इसमें क्या है कि जब अपन रियल में और रिलेटिव में दोनों को सेपरेशन बताता है। आई एंड माई वी बोथ आर सेपरेट because I and my both cannot stay together. That's why this is like both separate. मैं नाम से मुकेश कुमार हूँ, लेकिन रियल में मैं शुद्धात्मा हूँ। उसकी जागृति सदंतर रहती है और रखने के लिए ही हम यहाँ एक ज्ञान लेते हैं।
मेडिटेशन, इनर पीस, प्योरिटी ऑफ सोल, फॉरगिवनेस की शिक्षा मिलती है दादा भगवान के जीवन से। तभी तो हजारों की संख्या में फॉलो करते हैं लोग दादा भगवान को। अद्भुत और अनूठा था पूज्य दादाज गुरु पूर्णिमा सेलिब्रेशंस का दृश्य।
community 5K walk and run at Cary Park Lake in Cary, North Carolina. Cord Raleigh is the chapter of Cord USA that works towards raising funds for India and to support local community events in Trigal area. Chinmaya Organization for Rural Development provides basic health services to remote villages located in rural India. The organization helps villagers with income generation schemes so that they can become self-sufficient. To raise funds and help Cord USA centers in their social programs, the organization held a walkathon where members from the community along with their friends and family came to help support towards the noble cause. Besides it being a bad weather with heavy rainfall, people came in large numbers to support Cord USA towards its projects and work.
It was for a good cause, and so we came out to help and volunteer and also to participate. It was really fun.
Hi, we're here to help out with the Cord walk, and my daughter here, Sonia Patel, and her friend Anna Helms are here with face painting. They're sampling it right now, and we're having a great day. It's a rainy morning, but we're enjoying the walk.
It was difficult, a lot of hills, but the rain, it was okay. The rain was fine.
We are at Cord USA, and I'm making origami for the origami table. My name is Vinay Sadwani. We just came back from a 5K. It was very slippery.
Hi, my name is Gayatri Narayan. I'm the co-founder for Chord New York chapter of Chord USA, and I'm here in Chord Raleigh to support their 5K run, which has happened in like really strong rain, but there were like hundreds of people who came here and who participated in the run. It was great.
Hi, I'm Preeti, and I'm really excited to be here and run for Chord today in Chord Raleigh's first 5K. And to me, Chord is really important because they have a very important philosophy of instead of giving a man a fish, they teach a man to fish. And to me, that's something that is really amazing because it can be sustained and help so many people.
Hi, I'm Varsha, and I'm a rising 10th grader. And today I volunteered for Chord. We did a big Chord run. This was our first one. And I was volunteering for traffic. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of runners. And even though it was raining, we were a big success.
We're here at the Chord USA Miles for Humanity 5K. We are the newest branch of Chord USA. We are in Raleigh, North Carolina. So we are Chord USA Raleigh. Chord stands for Chinmaya Organization for Rural Development. And Chord focuses on the empowerment of villagers in rural India.
This is Narayan Kumar. I'm from the Chord USA, being a volunteer for the Kerry Park 5K run. It's been a fantastic event. Thanks to all our organizers, especially Hiren. He did a lot of effort, and plus all the volunteers.
इंडियाज इंडिपेंडेंस। जी हाँ, नॉर्थ कैरोलिना में कम्युनिटी ने धूमधाम से सेलिब्रेट किया इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे। हिंदी विकास मंडल द्वारा आयोजित इस सेलिब्रेशन में शान से लहराया गया तिरंगा। इस मौके पर ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन डांस और एक कल्चरल एग्जीबिशन भी ऑर्गेनाइज की गई।
North Carolina's Little India came alive with dancing, singing and flag waving as Indian Independence Day parade was held there. इस परेड में यूथ के साथ बच्चों और बुजुर्गों ने भी किया पार्टिसिपेट, where they expressed their love for motherland. किसी के हाथ में लेजिम था तो कोई ढोल की थाप पर भारत माता के जयकारे लगा रहा था, तो कोई गांधी टोपी लगाए तिरंगे को हाथ में लिए शान से आगे बढ़ रहा था। हिंदी विकास मंडल ने ADRRTP और AIM फॉर सेवा जैसी कई प्रेस्टीजियस सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ मिलकर इस इवेंट का आयोजन किया, जहां 4 चांद लगाने पहुंचे कुछ खास मेहमान भी।
I'd like to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. This is the 67th anniversary of the Independence Day from August 15th, 1947. We were very honored here in Morrisville, North Carolina, to have such a strong Indian community. A full 30% of our citizens call India their motherland, their home. So we're honored to be here.
परेड के बाद इंडियन कल्चरल डांस प्रोग्राम पेश किए गए। और आयोजन किया गया एक कल्चरल एग्जीबिशन का। इस सेलिब्रेशन में बसी थी मातृभूमि की यादें।
I want to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. It's such a great occasion, and it is so much fun to enjoy with all the Indians in America. We have and to see that they have not forgotten the roots to their community.
अरविंद ने बताया कि जश्न आज़ादी की रौनक बढ़ाने के लिए इंडिया से खास तौर पर नॉर्थ कैरोलिना आ रहे हैं कम्युनिटी के फेवरेट सिंगर्स।
We are promoting Alka Yagnik and Kumar Sanu's show on August 22nd.
तो वहीं इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट कर कम्युनिटी भी हुई बहुत खुश।
And I'm honored to be here to celebrate Indian Independence Day. And as we read our proclamation today, I reminded everyone that Indian independence is very similar to the ideals that America was founded on, that freedom is a gift we should pass on to every citizen in America and all around the world. And we're honored to be here today, and let us honor the life of Mahatma Gandhi as an example of great positive change we can bring to the world. And I personally want to thank the Indian community of North Carolina for all of your contributions. I'm honored to serve in public office, and happy Indian Independence Day to everyone.
Even though we are so far away from India, it is wonderful and a privilege to have been born in the country India with its rich diversity. I mean, I am privileged to be an Indian, and I share the passion and the country spirit that everyone in India has. So even though we are away from India, we are very much part of India. India is within us. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day to all. This is so nice. We are here, all Indians together, and it's just awesome to see the amalgamation from all parts of India. But we still miss our home, our love, our India.
अनोखी है कम्युनिटी की स्पिरिट और अटूट है उसका प्यार अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए। ओवरऑल 68 इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन रहा कम्युनिटी के लिए बहुत स्पेशल।